And this will be the plastic pot where this goes. I'll just go like that. It took me all but 15 minutes to complete this project. This post is made of redwood, so it is termite resistant. This bottom here are 2 by 4s made of pressure treated wood, so they are also termite resistant. The head is made of plastic, outdoor plastic designed to withstand heat and rain. This is a very durable dragon fruit trellis. This video has two parts. The first part is how to make a simple trellis like this with just a 4 by 4 post and a plastic top. And the other one is how to mold concrete and make a trellis like this one here.
When I first started this channel, my goal was simply to entertain everyone. Much like a politician dancing on the campaign trail just to win votes and later, in one good way or another, get paid. I've since realized, though, that approach lacked the substance to truly improve anyone's life. But what substance is that? It is the spirit. When someone shares a moment with me.
Is this thing on? 듣고 있어. I host a show that no one calls. Tuesday nights, the dead air slot. I played your cover twice last week. Don't get weird about it. Okay, get a little weird. 계단에서 노래를 불러. 조회수 40만원 엄마야. 근데 너 하나 들어줬잖아. 그게 왜 이렇게 큰일 같지? I'm never gonna be a big deal. 나도 절대 스타는 못 돼. But you know my song, so who cares? Famous to you, that's enough.
This is a very durable dragon fruit trellis. But it's not good enough just to be durable. It's not enough just to have resilience and just be game enough to bounce back from tough events or bad weather. This trellis needs to be rooted. Rooted not to fall. So we need to add an artificial root system. Like if this was a plant or a tree, we add some weight and shape or geometry at the bottom of the post to serve as anchor, like an artificial root system to hold its ground. Basically, a foundation system for the post to stand upright. So I have just cut 2 by 4 pressure treated wood, 6 inches in length, 4 pieces to do just that. And to secure them to the post, I used 2 galvanized nails initially and 1 screw to attach them to the post. This style of assembly is one way to do it. When you are doing it alone, it's pretty easy to do it this way. Carpentry and woodworking is deeply enjoyable to me because it offers stress relief, tangible rewards, something you can hold, and creative outlet. I'm not a professional carpenter. I just have a few tools. This miter saw, or some people call it chop suey. No, not chop suey. That's food. Chop saw. That's right, chop saw. Miter saw or chop saw has a bigger blade than the regular circular saw, and that's a little bit scary. But it can do a good job because it can cut 4 by 6 wood post with one swing. I paid around $100. You can get this online. My post here though is a 4 by 4. This plastic top support of the dragon fruit trellis, you can get it online. Lazada, Shopee, or Amazon. I paid $20 US via Amazon. Much cheaper in the Philippines. Lazada or Shopee, 280 pesos. And I'm just using 5 galvanized nails to secure it to the post. Nails are much more simple to install at this stage rather than screws. But the circular saw, which is the same price as this miter saw, cannot even cut a 4 by 4 with one swing. So the miter saw can do a better job in that sense. Although the circular saw, you can move it around easily.
Is this thing on?
I'll just go like that.
Tickle isa.
It took me all but 15 minutes to complete this project. This post is made of redwood, so it is termite resistant. This bottom here are 2 by 4s made of pressure treated wood, so they are also termite resistant. The head is made of plastic, outdoor plastic, designed to withstand heat and rain. This is a very durable dragon fruit trellis. This London Bridge right here, the pergola right there, and let me show you around. Carpentry and woodworking is deeply enjoyable to me because it offers stress relief, tangible rewards, something you can hold, and creative outlet. I am almost ready to plant the dragon fruits into this new trellis. But before I pour my soil into this pot, I'm going to attach the post to this pot with screws for better stability.
I host a show that no one calls. Tuesday nights, the dead air slot. I played your cover twice last week. Don't get weird about it. Okay, get a little weird. 계단에서 노래를 불러줘. 수 40번은 엄마야. 근데 너 하나 들어줬잖아. 그게 왜 이렇게 큰일 같지? I'm never gonna be a big deal. 나도 절대 스타는 못 돼. But you know my song, so who cares? Famous to you, that's enough. That's enough. 새벽 방송 챙겨 듣다가 출근 버스를 두 번 놓쳤어.
In some countries like the Philippines, they do not have redwood like this that are termite resistant that you can just buy from the local lumber.
Never gonna be a big deal. 나도 절대 스타는 못 돼. But you sing my songs
In my previous career, I was a mechanical designer and I designed different types of mold used in the industry to mold plastic and concrete, some rubber, molded into shape for commercial product. And so it was a challenge to me to create a mold for this dragon fruit trellis. So it was a wet concrete poured into a mold I designed. And I am going to share with you a video of how I made all that. So let me share with you this video and hopefully you'll be able to learn from it if you wish.
Get a little weird. I sing on the stairwell, 40 views. Half of them are mom, but you were one of them. You listened. Why does that feel like such a big deal? I'm never gonna be a big deal. I'll never be a star either. But you know my song, so who cares? Famous to you, that's enough. That's enough. I stayed up listening to your late night show. Missed my work bus twice, it's fine. I hated that company. I liked your voice better. The station manager says, smile more. I smiled once, he got scared. 9 hours ahead, you're already tomorrow. Tell me if it's good there, tell me everything. I'm never gonna be a big deal. I'll never be a star either. But you sing my songs in your stairwell. Famous to you, that's enough. That's enough. One listener, statistically embarrassing. Forget statistics, I come every day. Yeah, I noticed. Famous to you, good night soul. Well, one of you, good night radio girl. 이거 켜진 거야. 듣고 있어. 아무도 전화 안 하는 방송을 해. 화요일 밤 죽은 시간대. 지난주엔 네 커버곡 2번 들었어. 이상해지진 마. 아니 조금은 이상해져도 돼. 계단에서 노래를 불러. 조회수 40만은 엄마야. 근데 너 하나 들어줬잖아. 그게 왜 이렇게 큰일까지. 난 절대 대단한 사람은 못 될 거야. 나도 절대 스타는 못 돼. 근데 넌 내 노래를 알잖아. 그럼 됐지 뭐. 너한테 유명해. 그거면 충분해. 그거면 충분해. 새벽 방송 챙겨 듣다가 출근 버스를 2번 놓쳤어. 괜찮아. 그 회사 싫었어. 네 목소리가 더.
Tools can be dangerous when working in your garden. Be careful, for you, and for everyone around. Thank you for watching.